Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do another reference, and this time it'll be objects. So we're going to have this image right here that we're going to do today. So also want to remind you guys that you can get some custom brushes, custom Photoshop brushes, inexpensive, at cubebrush.co and gumroad.com. cubebrush.co and gumroad.com, and you can look up all kinds of brushes, all kinds of custom brushes that you can use to make your paintings more painterly, or whatever style that you're looking to do. So, but for all my videos, we aim to make every painting look like either like oil or acrylic oil, and have really nice brush strokes like in real paintings. So let's get started with this one. We have the painting reference on one layer, and we're going to have a new layer which is going to be named the paint layer. This will be where we put our canvas and we start to really get into painting our subject. So right now we're on our new layer, and we're going to pick a brush, and I have some regular brushes you can use, but you can also use your custom brush. So, and this is going to be the regular brush, not the mixer brush tool, which is also, it's over here, and that's the mixer brush. We'll use that a little closer to the end, or when we're mixing colors. So, and I'm going to turn this opacity up. What we're going to do is the background first, so we're going to start with that. But also we need to go to window, so we can have two different views, one view of the reference and the canvas at the same time, and we can zoom in and out of each one. So in order to set it up that way is to go to window, arrange, new window for the same document that we're working in. And then we go back up to window, and we can choose vertical or horizontal. So now we got the reference over here, and we can zoom in on the space where we're gonna paint over here. We can zoom in right there. So we're gonna choose the background color. We're going to choose the mid-tone of the table. What we need to do is we need to get the vase or picture. I'm going to choose the mid-tone. Now we're going to choose the mid-tone of the lemons. Now we have all the basic shapes in here. Okay, now that we have all the basic shapes that we need in this painting, we're going to start going into detail. While you're painting, you can correct, distances between objects as you progress through the details. And as you can see, I'm reshaping this particular part, make it a little bit more accurate. All right, now we're going to stylize this painting, and we're going to go to our brush tool. We're going to choose a different brush to create the effect that we want. We're going to choose a new layer, and you can see this table. We're going to create some scratches, and we're also going to add some more brush strokes in different places to make this come alive just a little bit more. So let's see if we can. I'm going to choose a really light color, and we're on the new layer, so scratches look alright. And you can use your custom brushes, or you can use a different kind of brush that you already have, like a dry brush, but you're going to have to turn the opacity down. Let's see. Yeah. That's pretty good. Trying to make it disappear just a little bit. And let's choose the mixer brush tool and sample all layers. And we're just gonna create some strokes. Very nice touches there, and that's the finished piece. And this is the goal, is to make it look very painterly. So we have accomplished that, and you can still make changes to the painting to make it look more accurate and also more vibrant. You can have the painting selected, and you can start changing the settings of the colors, the hue and saturation, and all of that. As long as you have it selected, the canvas that you worked on, hold Control and click on the icon with the full canvas right there, and you can Control and Shift to get the rest of the pixels that you just painted. See that? There you go. So, and you can go in and change some of the color. You can change the hue, saturation. See, I can add more of a vibrant color. The hue, you can kind of change that a little bit. And yeah, you can add all kinds of effects to it, and making sure that you don't lose the painterly style while you're doing it. So yeah, just explore those and join me next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and make sure to check out my pages. I'm going to try to put all of these tutorials in sheet form, and post them on my pages. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.